Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So it is time to do another Stitch Fix unboxing, but this one comes with a twist because I am a stylist. Now I'm assuming because you're here, you guys know the drill with Stitch Fix, but just in case you've never done it, it is a clothing subscription service and you sign up, it's $20 per fix, that is your styling fee. And then a stylist like me picks out 5 items to send to you, clothing, jewelry, shoes, whatever you want, based on your style profile. And then you get 3 days to try everything on. What you like, you keep, and that $20 styling fee goes towards the purchase of whatever you're keeping. And then whatever you don't like, you just throw it in a prepaid envelope and ship it back to us. Now, I've been a stylist for Stitch Fix for... this might be my 3rd year. Have I been doing this 3 years? It's been a long time. I just hit my 10,000th fix, and many of those were me because I also style myself, mainly because I would be totally paranoid having anybody else style me, so kudos to you all for entrusting your clothing choices to someone like me or one of our other stylists, because it's tough. It's like you have blind faith in somebody, and to be honest with you, my taste in clothing changes so often, like half the time I don't even understand what I'm liking these days. I'm gonna quit babbling just to get right into it. So just to give you guys some perspective, it is totally snowing outside. Like the snow is blowing sideways today. And I'm laughing so hard because when I went to style myself, I was thinking, oh, I really want to do like a spring, kind of like summerish inspired fix because, you know, I'm like tired of wearing the same neutrals that I wear like every day in winter. That's become my uniform, black, brown, gray. This is like stepping out of the box, burgundy for me. Big step out of the box. But I just figured, well, we're gonna go with a mixed bag. So I got a mixed bag and this is how my Stitch Fix arrived. So what I love most, honest to God, about receiving Stitch Fixes is the way the people in our warehouse package your clothing items. Like, this is 5 items beautifully folded and presented like this and just, you know, about to get totally torn into by me. I think that furry little rat in Punxsutawney promised us an early spring, but so far, I'm not seeing it. So here is my pile of temptation. Now, one of the things I've noticed about myself lately is when I'm buying clothes, I'm very intentional about what I'm buying. Like, there's been a massive decluttering going on. I'm finally starting to come to terms with my style. Like, for example, in the wintertime, I don't wear jeans. It's black leggings. Like, it's just a fact of life. So now I look for sweaters that I can wear with leggings, meaning there's a length in the back, but I also want to be able to tuck them into skirts. So that's something to consider. So like I said, I've been looking for clothing specific to certain outfits I want to complete or I want to create. One of those is a cottony type shirt for the summertime. Now, I love, 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 love shirts like this that have that type of detailing because I'm also big on details. And I was really drawn to this for something to wear with a pair of linen shorts that I love that I got from Stitch Fix. So we're going to try that on. And then plaid, I'm obsessed with plaid, but I also like blue. It's probably a love affair. So I got this plaid top, which, oh my gosh. This feels so soft. The fabrication is much different than I thought it would be. This is not like a cottony feel. This is almost like a polyester type feel. I don't know about that. But the main reason I grabbed this was because I wanted something to wear with one of my favorite blue skirts. Yes, you heard that right, skirt. So I'm gonna show you how you can really style plaid to be dressier. Like, oftentimes we think, yay, plaid, this is totally appropriate for, you know, my cabin in a snowy field in the middle of the woods. But you can totally dress plaid up too, and it's one of my favorite things to do. So I'll show you how to do that. And then this guy, so funny thing about this just very basic striped knit top, I actually had this in my last fix. It was in my queue. And then I was noticing, like, why is my fix taking so long to get here? It's not even saying it was shipped. Well, apparently, somehow they just, you know, inventory ran out and they didn't have it for me then. So I was able to snag it this time around. and it feels super soft. It looks like it might be a little bit big, but we shall see. And then this green blouse, again, just keeping in mind the obsession with the black leggings. I'm always looking for ways to dress them up. That's another thing I'm gonna show you guys how to do, a favorite look of mine, how to dress up your black yoga pants. And so when it comes to blouses, I'm very much into the idea of like a high-low. So you have more of a structured look in the front, but then you also have the length in the back to cover your derriere. And then finally, jeans. I'm on an obsessive hunt to find some new jeans. Mine are probably 4 years old, and I'm totally okay with that. But jeans, I, like or most women out there, cannot stand shopping for jeans. It's just like, no thanks. But I saw these, like I love the button fly. I'm all about the high rise. I love the rinse, and they're also cuffed, which I thought would be super cute for this summertime. So I'm gonna try all this stuff on and show you what I had in mind. Before I do that, I also just wanna throw out a quick disclaimer, like this is just me styling myself in ways I like to present fashion. This is in no way, shape, or form like me speaking on behalf of Stitch Fix or anything like that. This is just stuff I really like. I'm gonna show you outfits that I had in mind when choosing these particular items. And I also want to show you guys, if you are new to Stitch Fix, so when you open up your box, you also get this style card. It's a series of cards that basically includes every piece of clothing that they sent you, and then they give you, some visual ideas on how you could wear it. And then this right here is where your note from your stylist would be. Now, because I'm a stylist, I just, wrote some simple filler in there. That's why there's basically no text there. Okay, so here's the top I was most excited about. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. I'm totally into finding ways to dress up a simple pair of black leggings. Like these are just black yoga pants. I got them at Marshall's, and what I like to do is just throw on a heel and then find a blouse to dress them up. But I'm always worried about the coverage in the back. Like I don't want to be showing off my rear to everybody. So this was appealing to me because it has the high-low silhouette. I think it's very timeless. I love how I could tuck it into a skirt. I love how it dresses up the black yoga pants, and it has like a little tack here, so I'm not going to be showing off more than I want to. Okay, so this striped knit, I actually thought was going to be too big, but it is the perfect size. It's very comfortable. It's very soft. Again, I love the versatility in the sense that I can wear it with my leggings because it's giving me the coverage in the back. But I'm also going to show you how I would wear it with a skirt in a minute. Now, my one beef with this is that the sleeves are very, very long. Like, let me see if I can show you. I'm not going to be able to show you, but see how it's gathering there in the cuff? I don't like that. This is how I would wear that same shirt with a skirt, and oh my lord, excuse my super pale legs, someone's got to go self-tan. But anyway, so I like the fact that it tucks in really, really well to the skirt. I think stripes and solids or even stripes and florals are super cute and flirty. Like I would totally wear this out to dinner or even to like a wedding reception. One tip for you, always go with a nude heel. Nude heels really trick the eye into thinking there's a seamless line from your torso down to your toes. So it's not going to cut off your leg like a black shoe would. And it gives the illusion of a longer leg, which is really good. Excuse me, if you're short like me, I'm only 5'4.5". So I'm always trying to make it look like I am taller. This is the blouse that I was thinking would be a great match for these shorts, which I got in a previous Stitch Fix box. And excuse the wrinkles, I did not feel like busting out the iron for this, but it's cute. Like I like the detailing here on the sleeve and the bodice, but the fabrication, it is rayon, and I knew that. And sometimes rayon can feel a little more cottony. This feels more like rayon, and I definitely want a top that would be cotton for the summertime. So here's what I was talking about with the plaid top. Now, of course, you can wear plaid with jeans, like everybody knows that, but my favorite thing to do with plaid is to tuck it into a skirt like this, Again, you got your nude heel to make your legs look longer. And I just think it's so cute. Like, this is something I would totally, if I actually had to go to an office, I would totally wear to an office. I've actually worn something like this for parties. People always go nuts over it because I think it's just unexpected. We just think that plaid is only meant for casual occasions, and that is so not true. Now, in terms of the actual shirt, I thought I would hate this shirt just because it's printed, so on the inside it's white, so it's not threaded through, which I wasn't a huge fan of, and it also has like a high quality, very soft but more like polyester feel. Like, this is not cotton. And here are the jeans. So you see we've got, oop, there's the tag. We've got the button fly, so they're a nice high rise. And they also have that little cuff at the bottom, which is super cute for spring and summer. I'm just not sure I'm liking the fabrication. Like, they have functional pockets, which is always good. They're very, very stretchy. And I know that's like a thing with jeans these days. My concern is always that jeans that have an abundance of stretchiness to them tend to stretch out as you wear them and they lose their shape. So I'd much rather stuff myself into a pair of jeans that is primarily cotton with almost no spandex in it, and just have that structure throughout the day than risk, you know, getting the sag halfway through with a pair like this. So I actually changed. It's a couple hours since I sat down to film earlier, and I've got to go walk the dog before it gets too late. But I just wanted to wrap it up by saying thank you so much for watching, and I think I'm just gonna go with that green blouse. I think that's gonna be it. Everything else, like I said, cute stuff, but I'm just at a point where unless it's like 100%, I know I'm gonna love it, it's something super timeless, I'm not having like an issue with a sleeve or something else, and I'm just not willing to, you know, spend the money on it and also create the space for it in my life. So that's where I'm at, and if you're interested in joining, I was gonna say join, if you're interested in signing up for Stitch Fix, I'll leave a link below. I will also leave my affiliate link. Now, anybody that does Stitch Fix automatically gets an affiliate link, so if you would sign up for Stitch Fix using my link, I get a $25 credit to use for a future purchase. But by all means, if you don't want to do that, just use the regular link. Try it, see how you like it. I've become spoiled by it. Like, now I just want everything to come to me. I don't want to go out and search for anything. But again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.